Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Larib Sabir and in this video we are going to discuss supplementary psychology paper of 2017 of FA part 1 or first year, and this paper is of Pius Rawalpindi Board. So let's move towards the objective part. The number 1 MCQ is, who defined psychology as a science of soul? Socrates has defined psychology as a science of soul. Number 2, the branch of psychology related to employer and employee is industrial psychology. Number 3, the study the personal feelings of self is called introspection. Number 4, which variable is changed in an experiment? Basically, independent variable is manipulated in an experiment, so we can say that an experimenter can change and manipulate independent variable in an experiment. So the right option is option A, independent variable. Number 5, messages from muscles to brain are sent through motor neurons. Number 6, our body movements are coordinated by cerebellum. Number 7, the white fluid of eye is called none of these. The white fluid of eye is called sclera and sclerotic. Number 8, the objective factor of attention is, objective factor is basically the factor that the object has that specific factor, so we can say that it may be the intensity of that object. Number 9, the memory which store important events of life is called episodic. And number 10, the stimulus which reduces the reoccurrence of previous behavior is punishment. A stimulus which reduces the behavior or previous behavior, we would say that it minimizing the behavior, so it will obviously lead towards the punishment. If any behavior that strengthen, any stimulus that strengthen the behavior, so we can say it reinforcement or taqwiyat. But here the statement is the stimulus which reduces or which eliminate the previous behavior, it would be obviously known as punishment. Number 11, male sex hormone is none. Testosterone is the male sex hormone. Number 12, the external element affecting motivation. Here the external element, it is not the person's own desires or own interests. So we can say that social acceptability is the external element that affects motivation. It is not from the person. It is not specified with the interest or desire or personal mood or attitude of the person. So we can say that external element is society or social acceptance. So it sometimes affects the person's motivation. Number 13, the personality of adventurous people is mesomorphic, as there are 3 types of personalities has been defined by Sheldon. So mesomorphic personality is the one in which the person is usually adventurous and active. Number 14, the inborn part of personality is id. Id is the inborn part. Number 15, breathing rate decreases in depression. Number 16, the test developed for illiterate army person was army beta test. Number 17, the last one, who introduced the concept of mental age. The right option is Binet. Alfred Binet has defined the concept of mental age in his test in 1905. So the right option is option D, Alfred Binet.